Hey, it's Mark Nolan in the DEI garage, and okay, you're driving around in your C5 or your C6 and all of a sudden your wallet's on fire. Well, it's something like that, right? We've got the Corvette trans-tunnel plate here. This is really cool. Literally reduces cockpit heat temperature transferring up through the transmission tunnel. Keeps the console and interior temperatures super cool. Made from the extreme temp floor and tunnel shield, okay? So it's CNC cut out for a really precise fitment. Now think about this. If you got one of these, you know where these bolts are right here. You're not even have to take the bolts out. It's fantastic. Self-adhesive. No need to remove the trans-tunnel plate to install this thing. And extremely lightweight. Not affected by wind or water either, because remember, it's going to be under the vehicle. So available for C5 and C6 Corvettes in just the trans-tunnel plate heat shield, or a full kit that covers the sides of the trans-tunnel as well. The amount of the heat that is reduced in the interior is unbelievable. It's the Corvette trans-tunnel plate. DesignEngineering.com.